Assistant Professor G.F.COLLEGE.CHANNEL from JP University. Today I am going to discuss basic terms of polymers. The term polymer was given by Burgess in 1833 and the term polymer may be explained by various means, but here I am going to introduce the term what is polymer and what is monomer. Here is the example CH2 double bond CH2. It is mainly known as ethylene, and all of us know about the polyethylene which is available in the market. Okay, that is the polyethylene, and this is developed by this ethylene. This is ethylene monomer. When this ethylene monomer is joined, then this polymer is formed. Just like bricks, we know the wall is made up of bricks, and we can mimic this bricks like monomer, and when the wall is completely prepared, that may be mimicked with this polyethylene. Means the polyethylene is made up of what? Monomers. This polyethylene is made up of ethylene. What are you going to conclude? Monomer is actually simple, small, repeating chemical unit. What is this? Simple, small, repeating chemical unit. In short, you can notice this S square RCU. What is monomer? Is S square RCU. In another way, this polymer is also may be defined by this term S square RCU. Means polymer is made up of S square RCU. Monomer is S square RCU and polymer is made up of S square RCU. So okay, now we are going to explain another term, that is functionality. Functionality is of monomer. When there is any molecule, it is having attaching bonding sites. These are having bonding sites. Here you can see this ethylene can join with these two bonding sites. It is ethylene which is having two bonding sites. Then its functionality will be 2. How much functionality it is having? 2. Minimum number of functionality to be for a monomer to be a polymer should be 2. That is why it can be attached with 2 sides. Okay, that is why it is known as number of bonding sites present in a monomer is known as its functionality. Here you can see this monomer can be attached from this side and this side. It is known as ethylene monomer, and another monomer which this also can be attached from this side and this side. Okay, number of bonding sites present in a monomer is known as its functionality. And the last term is that DP and DOP. We know DP in our IT term, but it is here degree of polymerization, DP or DOP. The monomers, number of monomers present in a polymer is known as its DP. This monomer is combined, and when the polymer is formed, it is polymer. And the N number is representing here the number of attached monomers. Okay, when this N number is having equal to 100 or more, this polymer is known as high polymer. Means main polymers are high polymers that should contain at least equal to or more than 100 monomers. Okay, and when this is having less than 10, any molecule which is having less than 10 monomers, that would be now pronounced as polygomer. These are small polymers. And when it is having 4 tetramer and trimer, when there is having 3 units, then it is known as trimer. Then we have covered these 3 topics, and we know that the monomer and polymer and the formation of monomer into polymer is known as the process known as polymerization. There are various another aspect. Thank you. We can only conclude this that these polymer terms are very much important in polymer science, and there is very much less time. Within 5 minutes I can conclude that these terms are very much important.